Hi everyone, my name is Hyunseo Chang. Today I'm going to introduce my friendly travel plan to Syria. I have always wanted to visit Manchester in the UK. I want to go Manchester with my best friend. We will go there about 3 days in September. The weather will be nice and there will be many things to do. First of all, I really want to try fish and chips. This is one of the most famous British foods. Maybe we could find a local pub and enjoy it with tartar sauce and lemon. I think we must try this when we go to the England. As a Spaniard, I want by Twining Earl Grey tea. It's a traditional British tea, and I love the scent. Perhaps I could also buy some for my family. Manchester is also famous for its history. It used to be one of the most important cities during the Industrial Revolution. I want to walk around the city and see old factories and museums. It will help us understand the past and enjoy the present at the same time. Now, the main reason I want to visit Manchester. Old Trafford, the home stadium of Manchester United. I have loved team for years. If we go there, we can join a stadium tour and maybe take a picture in rock room. The tour guide will kindly explain everything about the club history. Also, we must watch a game. If we if there's a match on the day visit, I want to feel the energy of crowd and sing together with the fan. We have to buy ticket early because they sell out quickly. Thank you for listening. This is my friendly plan to Manchester.